Welcome to Nudged. We are here to empower you to achieve your goals, one video at a time. Today I want to talk to you about the power of being a woman and how we can start our day off right. As women, we are strong, capable, and deserve respect. We have unique skills, talents, and abilities that make us special and capable of achieving anything we set our minds to. First and foremost, let's remind ourselves that we are capable of great things. We have the ability to make a difference in the world. Let's not underestimate our capabilities. We have the power to shape our own future and create the life we want for ourselves. Second, let's remind ourselves of our worth. Society often tries to tell us that we are not good enough, but we have to remember that we are valuable, capable, and deserving of respect. Let's not let anyone make us feel otherwise. We are worthy of love, happiness, and success. Let's believe in ourselves. Third, let's remind ourselves that we are not alone. We have a support system of family, friends, and other women who are there to help us. Reach out to them when we need help and support. We don't have to do this alone. We are a community, and we can empower each other. Fourth, let's remind ourselves that we are in control of our own lives. We have the power to make our own choices and decisions. Let's not let anyone else dictate how we live our lives. We are the masters of our own destiny. Let's take control and make our day a great one. Fifth, let's remind ourselves that we have the power to break the glass ceiling. Women have come a long way, but we still have a long way to go. Let's continue to fight for equality and break through barriers in our professional and personal lives. Sixth, let's remind ourselves that we are strong and resilient. We have overcome obstacles and challenges in the past, and we can do it again. Let's not let setbacks hold us back. Let's rise above them and keep moving forward. In conclusion, as women, we have the power to make our day a great one. We are capable of great things, we are valuable and worthy, and we have a support system to help us along the way. Let's take control of our lives, believe in ourselves, and make today a great day.